Kids, good morning. Today we're going to talk about the CVC pattern, the consonant vowel consonants that helps you to read words. Okay, so I'm going to share to you how it looks. Okay, so learn the CVC pattern for beginner readers. This is how you're going to read the CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, this is a dog. How are you going to read the word dog? It's d o g. So you're going to produce the sound first. This is a cat. K a t cat. Let's do it one more time. K a t cat. And this is a dan. D e n. Dan. This is a mad. M a d. Mad. This is a man. M a man. Car or a van. V, a, van. Okay, let's try this one. A man has a van. The man is my dad. A big fat cat. Okay, can you try it one more time? Let's see. A man has a van. The man is my dad. A big fat cat. I hope you learned something how to read the words